Hey there, quick review on these SpaceAid moving bags. Good overall product. I've reviewed a lot of different moving bags and most of them all have the same material that they're made out of. Good stitching around the sides, it's what I would expect. The handles work well. I will note that the handles are not sewn all the way down the sides. You've got a square section right here that they're sewn in at. So if you're putting an extreme amount of weight in these, that could be an issue, but probably not going to be a big deal at all. The zipper function on this is a center zipper. And on moving bags, usually you'll see if it's a center zipper, it'll go all the way down so that you can open it up here and easily access the whole contents. Most of these, it's a little bit difficult to use the zipper. You kind of have to use two hands usually, but it's going to work just fine for moving and storage of linens and old clothes and things like that. This is excellent. Looking at our handle options, we've obviously got the carry handle across the top here, but then as we go down and look at the bottom of the bag, there are a couple other handle options as well on here. So all the way at the bottom, you've got a handle here. So if you want to carry the bag vertically like this, it's not a big deal. As you can see, I've got quite a bit of weight in this bag and it's holding up just fine. You can also carry this as a backpack. They do have two straps across the bottom here. You can unsnap those and throw the bag over your shoulder to carry easily as well. So if you're moving, you'll be able to load up, carry 5 or 6 bags at a time, no problem. So is this a good value in terms of moving bags? I think for the price point, you're getting a bargain considering what you're paying for each of these bags and what they're able to store. The nice thing is if you're moving, you can save them and they don't take up hardly any space at all. You can fold them up into this tiny little footprint and store them and pull them out again whenever you need them or give them to a friend who might be moving as well. So nice product, I'd recommend it.